Peeps, we are back at Busch Gardens, Williamsburg, and right above me, the Loch Ness Monster is on one of its final days here in the park. Now, it won't be gone for long. It actually, as the time of this recording, shuts down next weekend, after which they will do a complete refurbishment. They're going to replace the track. They're going to redesign the queue with some story elements. They're going to add a soundtrack, a whole bunch of cool stuff. We told you about it in a video, which I'll actually link at the end of this video, and it'll look like this right here. But we're here because this is our last opportunity to get to the park to ride what is actually my first looping roller coaster as a kid. And I want to get a few more rides on it before they shut it down and revamp it in its current state. So we're going to bring you along with us, but I'm actually not going to film on the ride today. We've filmed on this ride plenty of times, and Busch Gardens has done a video that is better than anything we can put together, a POV, which we're actually going to put right after this. But instead of it just being the standard POV, we're going to show some cool little pop-up facts about Loch Ness Monster while you watch the POV. I think it's pretty fun, so stick around for that. But let's go ahead and walk through the queue and check it out before they change it for next year's event. Here it is, one more time on the Loch Ness Monster. All the times I've been here, I've never stopped long enough to look at that sign. For any old school Busch Gardens fans, do you ever remember walking by that thing over there and looking in the windows to see if Nessie was in there? I do. This is like the extended queue area. Now, obviously we are here during howl-o-scream, so not a long wait at all. In fact, I think it's just a walk-on. speaking of updates, apparently in 2024 we're going to get our first glimpse of Nessie under these waters after this first drop hill. In fact, they're coming right now. Merchandise will change with the ride name change, or if they'll just kind of leave it the same. Alright peeps, we got our last couple rides in on this iteration of Loch Ness before it shuts down for good. I am super excited about the new track, about the new story elements, about the soundtrack, and all the stuff that it sounds like is coming to the ride in 2024. We will definitely have more about that leading up to the opening. So make sure that you hit the subscribe button, the little notification bell, so that you know when we release our upcoming coverage. Also, while you're down there, leave us a comment. Let us know your favorite memory of the Loch Ness Monster, when you first rode it, when you're planning on last riding it, and what you're most looking forward to in the new ride. Thank you all for watching. We will see you next time.